Hey, what's up guys, Winston here, and today we're going to be taking a quick look at the ASRock B850 Livemixer Wi-Fi motherboard. Are you a streamer or content creator? Well, ASRock have got just the motherboard for you. The ASRock B850 Livemixer Wi-Fi motherboard. It utilizes AMD's B850 chipset and supports all the latest Ryzen 7000, 8000 and 9000 series of processors on the AM5 socket. It's perfect for streamers and content creators who's after a next-gen AMD motherboard with lots of connectivity. It features a 14+1+2 power phase design with 80 amps Dr. Moss for V-Core and SoC, giving you enhanced stability for overclocking and gaming performance. It comes with 4 DDR5 DIMM slots supporting both Intel XMP and AMD Expo memory modules with speeds of up to DDR5 8000 plus OC. Expansion slots include one PCIe 5x16 slot for next-gen graphics cards and two PCIe 4x4 slots supporting a wide range of PCI expansion cards to help boost your creativity. For storage, you get two SATA ports and one blazing M.2 PCI Gen 5 M.2 slot featuring the toolless M.2 heatsink design and two Hyper M.2 PCI Gen 4 M.2 slots for your SSDs. This motherboard features a huge amount of USB ports, 23 in total, and this maximizes connectivity and provides stable support for supporting multiple devices. These include USB mics, webcams, capture cards, control decks, and more. You also get Wi-Fi 7 support, Lightning gaming ports, the Dragon 2.5 GB LAN, and Bluetooth. Other features include the 7.1 HD dynamic audio, the BIOS flashback button, and ASRock's Polychrome sync. We'll be testing this motherboard using a Ryzen 9 9950X along with 32GB of DDR5 7600 RAM. We'll also be using a GeForce RTX 4080 Super to see how the whole system performs. So let's put this in our test rig, and before we do that, let's do a quick unboxing and we'll see you in a bit. Alright, let's do a quick unboxing of the ASRock B850 Livemixer Wi-Fi motherboard. It comes with Wi-Fi 7 and supports all the latest Ryzen 7000, 8000 and 9000 series of processors. Okay, let's take a look inside. Okay, what do we have here? We have a pair of SATA cables. We have two antennas for the Wi-Fi 7, a thermal probe, and an ASRock badge. We have the quick installation guide and the regulatory notices. Alright, here we have the ASRock B850 Livemixer motherboard. It comes with some nice large heat sinks for your VRM MOSFETs and a nice I/O hood there. This is the M.2 toolless heat shield for your M.2 SSDs, and we've got another heat shield here for the other M.2 SSD slots here. The chipset heatsink here. This is the AM5 socket supporting all the latest Ryzen 7000, 8000 and 9000 series of processors. We'll start at the top right here. We have one 8-pin PCI power connector and one 4-pin PCI power connector there. And here we have 1, 2, 3 4-pin fan headers, two 3-pin ARGB headers here. We have a 24-pin ATX power connector, a USB 3 header and USB Type E. We have another USB 3 header right here and two SATA port connections. Along the bottom we have pinouts for your front panel. We have two USB 2 headers here, a CMOS header, two extra fan headers, another 3-pin ARGB, a 4-pin ARGB, a header for your temperature probe, and pinouts for your audio connector here. Expansion slots include one PCIe 5x16 slot for your next-gen graphics cards and two PCIe 4x4 slot for any PCIe expansion cards. You can put them in there. This is your Wi-Fi 7 module. This is the toolless M.2 heat shield, and it's quite easy to remove. You just unlatch and this whole thing comes off like that, and put it back in. You just line it up and you just slot it in with a click. And underneath this heat shield we have two more M.2 slots for your SSDs. Here we have 4 DDR5 DIMM slots supporting memory speeds of up to DDR5 8000 plus. Let's have a look at the I/O. We'll start off on this side. We have one display port, one HDMI, and the antenna connectors here for Wi-Fi 7. We have 4 USB 2 ports, BIOS flashback button, the Ultra USB power, the Lightning gaming ports. We have another 1, 2, 3, 4 USB 2s. We have a USB 3, USB 3.2 Gen 2 Type C, and we have 2.5 gigabit LAN for audio. We have mic in, line out, and SPDIF. So this is a very nice motherboard, especially for content creators and streamers who need those extra USB ports to plug in all those peripherals and devices. We'll be testing this motherboard using a Ryzen 9 9950X along with 32 gigabytes of DDR5 7600 RAM. We'll also be using a GeForce RTX 4080 Super to see how the whole system performs. Alright, so this was a quick unboxing of the ASRock B850 Livemixer Wi-Fi motherboard. The ASRock B850 Livemixer Wi-Fi is ASRock's newest addition to the Livemixer series of motherboards. It's designed for streamers and content creators who's after an affordable next-gen AMD motherboard with lots of connectivity for streaming and other auxiliary devices. During our tests, we used our usual test rig, which is comprised of a Ryzen 9 9950X processor, along with 32GB of DDR5 7600 RAM. We also used the GeForce RTX 4080 Super to see how the whole system performed. We managed to get some really good scores in all of our benchmarks, including a Cinebench 2024 score of 2,301 points for multi-core and 135 points for single-core. For PC Mark 10, we got a decent score of 10,670 and a score of 17,338 for Passmark 11. For Procyon Video Editing Benchmark, we got a score of 11,790 and a score of 232 for the AI Computer Vision Benchmark. For 3D Mark Steel Nomad and Speedway, we got very good scores of 6,792 and 7,583 respectively. And finally for Port Royal and TimeSpy, we got a very nice score of 18,790 and 26,085 respectively. One thing that really stands out with this motherboard is the amount of USB ports. You get 23 in total, and this maximizes connectivity and provides a more reliable and stable support for multiple devices such as USB webcams, mics, control decks, capture cards, audio interface and more. So all in all, the ASRock B850 Livemixer Wi-Fi not only offers good performance, a great feature set, but is also perfect for streamers and content creators who's after an affordable next-gen AMD motherboard with lots of USB connectivity. You can check out the full review on our website at funkykit.com. And there you have it. That was a quick look at the ASRock B850 Livemixer Wi-Fi motherboard. A fantastic motherboard with lots of USB connectivity, and it's perfect for streamers and content creators who's after a motherboard to support all their devices. Hope you enjoyed this video. Give us a like and leave a comment down below. Don't forget you can actually buy this via the links in the description, and of course visit our website for more news, reviews and hot tips. Oh yeah, don't forget, hit the subscribe button for more. Until next time, this is Winston for Funkykit.com.